While researching a topic, a student has taken the following note. The painter Frida Kahlo is one of the most influential artists of the 20th century. So we mentioned this person, Frida Kahlo, as the most influential artist. So she's an artist. She was born in Coyoacan, Mexico in 1907. So she's like a century ago. She's best known for her vivid and richly symbolic self-portrait. So the first two is talking about what she's best known for and her background. So got the background info about the painter or artist. And the next two, the two Fridas feature two versions of Kahlo sittings together. One version wears a European style dress and the other a traditional Tijuana dress. So we get into her work from line 3 and 4. The student wants to introduce Kahlo to an audience unfamiliar with the artist. Introduce Kahlo to people who don't know her. Okay, so if it's about Kahlo, the person, and it's better to talk about her background information than her specific work, such as the two Fridas. So if we talk about line 3 and 4, you can get rid of it. Okay, so focus on line 1 and 2. So known for being vivid and richly symbolic, Frida Kahlo's self-portraits include the two Fridas. So A is very tempting because it does talk about what she's best known for, being vivid and richly symbolic, but still we don't have much information about the person Kahlo. Instead we jump directly into the self-portrait. So it would be also nice where she was born, like in 1907, so we can kind of adjust her time frame. So A is not the best answer, but we'll keep A for now. Okay. Choice B, the 1939 painting The Two Frida is one example of a self-portrait by Frida Kahlo. Remember, we want to avoid her specific work if we want to know Kahlo as a person, because we want to introduce Kahlo to an audience unfamiliar with her. So let's not get into or delve into too specific work. Choice C, one painting by Frida Kahlo featured two versions of herself, one version and the other version. Okay, that's also going into details about her work, and that's not answering the question that asks to introduce Kahlo to an audience unfamiliar with the artist. So C is out. Choice D, one of the most influential artists of the 20th century. Okay, so that's part of the line 1 here. Mexican painter Frida Kahlo is best known for her self-portrait, which are vivid and richly symbolic. So we mentioned her background, that she's from Mexico. And 20th century is really what? Part of this 1907, okay, time, her background, or her ethnicity, and what she's best for, how she's famous. It got all the stuff you need to introduce who she is. Therefore, correct answer is D.